Thank you, Madam Speaker. I'd like to thank the Honourable Member for this question. Madam Speaker, the investigations, the general steps for the investigation, and if I can inform the House what happens when you have investigations. Madam Speaker, first you need to appoint the investigators. That has already been done. You then need to issue summons to all stakeholders involved in the sinking of the vessel. That has already been completed. Then you actually have the investigation proper, which includes the collation of all ship documents and all relevant documents, which has been completed. Interviews of all involved in the incident, which has been completed. Analysis of the interview script and all relevant documents, which has been completed. Reconduct interviews if contradicting statements. This is now currently in process. So all the things that I've just read out to you has already been done. They're now going through the reconduct of interviews should there be contradicting statements. Then following that will be the preparation of the investigation report itself. There's a submission of the report to the CEO of MSEF. There's a deliberation of the report by the MSEF Technical Committee and the actions to be taken, and communication to all relevant stakeholders and the implementation actions, Madam Speaker. At this stage, they are looking at another 4 weeks before the investigations are completed, those processes that I've just highlighted to you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, also by way of information to members of the House, the MV Southern Phoenix is of course not a Fijian registered ship, it's a Panamanian flagship. Madam Speaker, once the report is compiled, then of course it will be given to the shipping company, but also we are required, or MSEF is required, to submit a report of the incident to the International Maritime Organization, or IMO, as required under the International Convention on the Safety of Life at Sea and the International Convention on the Prevention of Pollution from Ships and the various protocols which of course we are party to. Thank you.